Assalamualaikum students, I am your SST teacher. We are going to read grade 4 SST. Lesson number 3, climate. Students, I am going to give you the summary of this lesson. Climate map of Pakistan. Climate means the weather condition in a region over a long period of time. The climate of a place can be very hot as on the equator, very cold as near the poles. The climate can also be very dry or wet. Climate has a great effect on people's lives, plants, crops, and on the land in an area. Pakistan. Some areas in Sindh and Balochistan are hot throughout the year. Some places such as those high up in the Himalayas are very cold. Here are some factors that affect the climate. Rainfall, height or altitude, closeness to the sea, sheltered areas. The monsoon. Map showing the direction of the monsoon winds in Pakistan. Here are 4 climatic zones of Pakistan: highland, arid, semi-arid, coastal. Now I am going to tell you some questions that can be used for multi-purposes like blanks, MCQs and true-false. Climate means the weather condition in a region over a long period of time. Climate of northern Pakistan is cold. The part of the Punjab is dry. The monsoon season, it rains a lot. The climate of a place can be very hot as on the equator. Climate has a great effect on people's lives, plants, crops and on the land in an area. In Pakistan, some areas in Sindh and Balochistan are hot throughout the year. Some places such as those high up in the Himalayas are very cold. Factors affecting climate: rainfall, height or altitude, closeness to the sea, sheltered areas. Rainfall. Rainfall or humidity is very important factor for climate and plant growth. Forest in the north of Pakistan. Height or altitude. The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. High above the earth's surface, the atmosphere is quite cold. The northern mountainous part of our country is cold throughout the year. Snow in Gilgit-Baltistan. Next, closeness to the sea. Places close to the sea usually have cool breezes blowing from the sea toward the land. Sheltered areas. Some places are sheltered from the wind and the rain. For example, a range of hills can act as a barrier. One side may get lots of rain, but the other side gets very little. Karachi is located on the coastline. The monsoon is the seasonal wind that blows from June to September in the subcontinent and across Southeast Asia. In Pakistan, the monsoon arrives in the summer. Monsoon rains in Pakistan fall between the months of July and September. Water rainfall is mainly in the north and west of the country, brought by winds blowing over Iran and Afghanistan. Major climatic zone of Pakistan. It has 4 climatic regions: highland, arid, semi-arid, coastal. Highlands are mountainous areas. The northern, northwestern and western highlands fall in this region. Highlands in Pakistan receive a lot of rainfall. Arid means dry. The areas of southwestern Balochistan and southeastern deserts fall in this region. Semi-arid, the areas of upper Indus Plain, lower Indus Plain and Pothohar Plateau lie in this region. Coastal, this region includes Karachi, Makran, Coast and Indus Delta. What does the weather report say? Why do people look at weather reports and try to predict the weather? One reason is that a weather forecast can help people to protect themselves and their property. If farmers know that there will be no rain, they can arrange to water their crops. Keeping a record of the weather can help us to predict the weather and notice any patterns or changes. Here are the instruments used to measure the temperature, pressure, direction, wind speed. First, temperature. Heat is measured with a thermometer in degrees Celsius. Rainfall is measured in millimeters with a rain gauge. The direction of the wind is shown by a water vane. Wind speed is measured by an anemometer. A barometer measures air pressure. A hygrometer measures the amount of humidity, water vapor in the atmosphere, in soil or in small spaces. Work page. Put a tick against true statement and a cross against the false ones. First one, high areas are usually hot. False. Cool breezes blow from the sea towards the land. True. Deserts are very dry places. True. Forests do not receive much rainfall. False. Places close to the sea are always very hot. False. Pakistan has a very wet climate. True. Students, look at page number 23 and fill the table. Questions. Question number 1. What is the importance of climate for a region? Answer. Climate has great effect on people, lives, plants, crops and lands. Question number 2. Look at the climate map of Pakistan on page number 19. Which part of the country is warmer? Answer. Southern part. Question number 3. Explain how the height of place affect its climate. Answer. High above the earth's surface, the atmosphere is quite cold, so it affects climate. Question number 4. Why do you think is rainfall such an important factor for climate? Answer. Rainfall is a major source of energy that derives the circulation of the climate. Question number 5. What effect does closeness to the sea have on climate of a place? Answer. Places closer to the sea usually have cold breezes blowing from the sea toward the land. Question number 6. Give example of usefulness of water forecast. Answer. Weather forecast help people to protect themselves